Are you ready to take your outdoor entertaining to the next level? What if your pavilion had an awesome outdoor kitchen? What could you do with that? Why would you be inside cooking for your party when they're outside? Go outside with them with an outdoor kitchen. In today's video, I'll go through a few options for designing a kitchen for your outdoor pavilion. From selecting durable materials to maximizing space for grilling, prep, and storage, let's dive in and start creating the perfect outdoor cooking space. I'll be showcasing two different methods for building an outdoor kitchen. The first option involves framing with metal studs, covering the structure with cement board, and finishing it with stucco or fascia stone for a sleek modern look. The second method uses stone blocks like this. Now let's take a trip to one of my projects where the kitchen was installed by a local contractor. This kitchen was done with the method of the metal studs and the cement board on the outside. Let's go, we'll see you over at the project. I'm with Cody from Maple Mountain Fireplace. Cody, how you doing?
Good, how about you?
Good, so Cody was here. He did the kitchen for this pavilion project that we did. And I brought Cody along so he could explain how this whole kitchen was built, the design process, the build, everything. So let's take it from there.
Yeah, sounds good. So the base of this is constructed with steel studs, and then on top of that we would put cement board, and then the countertop is a poured in place concrete slab, and then we've coated that with a sealer, almost like a garage floor sealer, and then we stuccoed the outside. So this is the Louisiana Grills pellet grill that we put in. It has Bluetooth and two thermometers that come with it. It's also got a sear plate, so you can open that and sear meat if you wanted to and still get that smoky flavor. So the next thing we put in is this Napoleon 700 series 38-inch grill. It has 5 main burners. It's also got a rear infrared burner so that when you're using this rotisserie here, it locks in all the juices by caramelizing the outside of the meat. It's all stainless steel construction, so you don't have to worry about any rust. And it also has electronic ignition on it, so it makes it easy to use. The next piece we installed was this Stand Broil griddle. It has a 24-inch griddle on it, and you can do burgers, stir fry, even a good breakfast with some bacon and eggs. It's got 2 burners on it, so you can use half of it or both of it at the same time. So the last thing in the kitchen we put in was this single burner. Just going to be like a normal oven burner where you're going to put a pot or a pan on and boil some water for some corn. We also built this outdoor fireplace using a Majestic Courtyard fireplace with a gas log set in it, and we did a nice stacked stone on the front of this, and then the rest of it is just stucco, and same construction as the kitchen. We did steel studs and cement board, and this should be a good place to make some memories.
If you decide you wanted to use stone blocks, it'll look like this. The fireplace I'm in front of every week, this is done with the stone block method. Glue them together, this creates the fascia, it looks awesome. The blocks are bonded with adhesive, creating a strong, durable structure. In both kitchens featured today, the countertops were poured in place for a seamless finish. I also used this same method when building my fireplace. And here's where things really come together. An outdoor kitchen pairs perfectly with the pavilions I design and build. A pavilion offers shade and shelter, making your kitchen usable in almost any weather. Whether you're hosting family gatherings, outdoor parties, or just enjoying a quiet dinner outside, the combination of a pavilion and a kitchen creates the ultimate outdoor living space. If you're ready to take your outdoor space to the next level, head over to my website at timberwestdesign.com. for more details on how I can help you create the perfect pavilion and outdoor kitchen combo. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your dream outdoor space.